Hello everybody, welcome to Andy's World. Hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to prepare simple pepper chili chicken. So let's get started. I have taken 1 kg of chicken and I've made incisions so that the masala will nicely be absorbed into the chicken. I'm going to prepare this chicken in a cooker. You can still use a pan. Using cooker would actually reduce our cooking time. So I've added oil, and when the oil is heated, let's add in chopped garlic and fry until golden brown. Make sure not to burn it, otherwise the entire chicken will become bitter. So the garlic is nicely fried. Let's add in 20 to 25 sambar onions or shallots. These are small onions, therefore I've finely chopped them. Use small onions in this recipe, it adds amazing flavor and taste. Avoid using the big onions, but if you don't have, use either one of it. Onions have turned translucent, so add in 1 teaspoon of pepper. Whole pepper you need to add. And fry this well. You don't have to fry onions for golden brown. It needs to be at this stage. Now add in lots of curry leaves. I'm using around half a cup of curry leaves. I love to add curry leaves in my recipes. This actually gives you a lovely flavor. So fry this well. Generally people do not eat curry leaves, leave it aside while eating, but it has a lot of health benefits. It's very good for eyes and also for cholesterol. So I've added 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry this until the raw smell goes. Now add in dried chilies. You can use any chilies which you have at home. Avoid using green chilies, always stick to dry red chilies. I have used Vyadige chilies and Guntur red chilies. Now Guntur is for spice and Vyadige gives a lovely taste and color. So I've mixed both. You can add any one of your choice. I have used around 1 cup of red chilies. Try to use more because that gives a lovely flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix well. Now add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the raw smell of turmeric goes. Now the spices are well cooked. Now it's time to add in the chicken. Mix the chicken and the spices well together so that it is nicely coated with the spices. So mix it nicely, don't add any water. This needs to fry well in this oil and the masala. Chicken is nicely coated with the spices. Now leave it to cook for 5 minutes until water is released from the chicken. So leave it to cook. Just keep checking in between, keep sauteing so that it doesn't get burnt. It's been 5 minutes now. Can you see the water there? So there is good amount of water and oil released from the chicken. Since we are using chicken with skin, so definitely good fat would be released. This fat is not harmful for our health. It is definitely good and also enhances taste as this is natural fat. Now I'm adding 1 cup of water for the chicken to boil. And now let's cook in a pressure cooker. Let's close the lid. Let's cook this for 2 whistles. So the chicken is nicely cooked. I've opened the lid. Can you see this? There is a little bit of water. If you want little gravy, then you can stop at this stage. It tastes yum with rice and rotis. But I want it to be a little more dry, so I'm going to leave it for like 2-3 minutes. It just smells really good. So it's been 2 minutes. I'm going to stop at this stage. Our pepper chili chicken is ready to be eaten. It's smelling so good and it is very delicious. Eat it with rice or rotis. You can just mix it with rice. You know, the gravy just tastes heavenly. So try this recipe at home. Cook this for your loved ones and do leave your feedback for me, as in what did you like about this recipe. This is a very easy recipe. Bachelors and beginners can just try this at home and definitely will be a success. And this can be cooked in 10 to 15 minutes, and when you have unexpected guests at home, don't have to worry. Just prepare this recipe, serve it with rice or rotis, and they will all enjoy it. So if you like this video today, please give a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification to receive notification of all my videos. See you with an exciting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.